Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. My name is Stephanie with Concordia Publishing House, and I am here today to give you a little tutorial on how your families can actually access the music and the videos from their music download card or their drop card, as some may call it. It's really a pretty simple process, but wanted to just quickly be able to show you how to do that so you can give your families a little bit of better understanding of how they're able to download all the music so they can share it with their kids, put it on their computer, and then from there they can even put it on their iTunes account so it could go to iPhones, iPods, you name it, all those kind of good things. So the first thing I want to show you is what the drop card actually looks like. So the download card. So it will be a physical card, but this is what the front looks like. And then this is what the back looks like. And on the back, you can see right here that there is a web address, and that is cph.org/VBS-2020-music. And that's going to be the address, the web address that your family should go to be able to enter their access code and then download the music. So I already have that pulled up here, but again, it's cph.org/VBS-2020-music. And we're going to go ahead and go to that. And then what your families would do is they would find their access code on that card. I already have one saved in here, so this is kind of our trial one. And then they would just sign in. From there, that's going to take them to this page, which is going to be where all the music and the videos are that they'll be able to download easily. So as you can see, we have a lot of different options. We do have the music with the vocals, which is probably going to be the one that your families would want to use the most. But then we do also have music with instruments only and music with just the melody line. I highly recommend just going ahead and downloading all the music. Then it downloads into one easy zip file. So it's not a whole bunch of different files onto your computer, but it makes it really easy for you. So then you would just click there and that would go ahead and download to your computer. And then over on this tab, we do have all of the videos as well. So these are going to include all of those song action videos that the kids can be able to dance to and have fun with while they're learning about Jesus. And again, you can download those in easy zip files that are going to have multiple songs per one, so it kind of makes it a little bit easier. We have the Truth Up videos, which are those opening and closing videos that we use for Rainforest Explorers. And then we do also have mission videos as well available that they are able to download. So pretty easy, and just wanted to give you a little quick overview tutorial on how your families will be able to access all of the music so that they can listen and praise Jesus at home with their children. Thanks for joining me. I hope this was helpful.